If you want something tasty, something spicy in your evening snack, you need to try chicken choila recipe once. So firstly, I will roast the tomatoes and garlic and fry some red chilies, and then fry the chicken with some minimal spices and make a good paste of the roasted tomatoes and garlic. And then I will cut some veggies such as coriander, onion and ginger, and then add some boiled potatoes, chickpea, chicken, onion, ginger and coriander, and give it a good mix. So our chicken choila is ready, and yeah, enjoy.